So in this Kayak.com tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to book hotels with a free airport shuttle here on Kayak.com. So once Kayak.com is opened up, here on the main page, make sure that Stays is selected, type in your location, type in the dates, type in the room and the guest number, and if all looks good, go ahead and press on search. Once you're brought to this page, I want you to go to this top bar here to where it says all filters. Just slide your mouse or press on where it says freebies right here and then press the drop down. Under the freebies drop down, at the bottom it says free airport shuttle. Go ahead and press on this and then press on apply. So if you're looking for a place that offers free rides to the airport, so preferably these hotels I guess would be close to the airports, this is the way to do so. So very simple, very straightforward. This is how to book hotels with free airport shuttles on Kayak.com. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.